Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price went up by around 3.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $30,264. It's evident that the buyers are taking over because the volume was high, showing that the move was strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 200 SMA to the upside. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. For this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it with the current price of around $29,795. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $29,693. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Moving to the hourly Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at $29,851, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA, that is at $33,526, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should watch out for the price dipping back below the ribbon, or if it will play as a support to the downside, which is currently at around $29,845. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has already shifted to the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. The current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around $32,314. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around $36,087. The resistance should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Looking at the daily Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.